Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd give you a quick tour in my office slash YouTube studio here and show you how I set this thing up. I just used this week to redecorate and tidy up some stuff. There's still stuff lying around here that I don't really know what to do with, but I'm working on it, and I'll just give you a short tour to this. I've got time to do it this week. It's a vacation time here in Denmark. The schools are closed, and many offices and companies are well, they haven't locked down, but it's not so busy at this time of year. And it's nice weather outside if you want to see the fall or the autumn. It's great colors and stuff like that. But I decided to do this because I never have time to do it. So this is what I've been doing this week until now. Except for tomorrow, I'm going out to photograph a restaurant for a magazine. Doing some interior and exterior shots out there tomorrow. And then I'm going to work on the video for this Sunday. But I just thought I'd give you a short update on this, and let me give you a guided tour in this mess. So as you can see, here's my desktop with a lot of crap on it right now. It's a bit messy, but yeah, it's okay. As you can see over there's a blanket behind it to dampen a bit of the echoing sounds in here. Up here, just a practical light up here with all my lenses and stuff. I just put on a Godox M150, I think it's called, or M100 here with a blue gel on it to give a little bit of interest here in the background. Another practical light over there. So that's basically the background of all this. And there's some junk here as well. So, but you can't really see that in the video. What I've done up here is I've put up a backdrop here so I can stand over there and film this way, but it's not really working. I wasn't too happy with it, so I decided not to do that and have a test of what you just saw me do in the beginning of this video. So I think that might be my setup. I might put up a backdrop here up there to cover the whole wall in one color. I'll see about that, but that's not right now, but this might happen. In terms of lighting, there's a light here that I've made myself with these diffusers. Diffusers is in fact the thing you have. It's from a laptop monitor, and it diffuses the light very nicely. Inside this box there are some LED strips that I glued to the bottom and then drilled some holes to get some air in, and just a power supply down there. So that's the second light. The main light is up here. It's just a 50 watt light bowl of those, those twisty ones, cheap ones. On a cheap softbox, and on that cheap light that I showed you in the previous video that I use for that. So printers over here, my office printer, and then the Canon Pro 10S light stands, and the different straps and bags and all that is over here in this corner. I just put these blankets up to dampen the sound again. And there's one down there on the floor also to dampen some of the sound in here. It's not the most, well, the room is not really sound designed, but I'll see about that if that's going to happen at some point, if I need that. Up here I have a great whiteboard to put all my projects in, and to give me an overview of that. And this is basically just gear stuff, all that stuff you don't know what to do with. So yeah, this is my small office. So as you can see, if I go all the way out into the door, and now I'm at 24 millimeters, you see there's a lot of junk in there. On this table I can pull out when I need to do this video. So yeah, there's a lot of crap in there, but if you kind of just zoom in and do like this, now we're back I'll put it down here on a tripod. Yeah, you can see now we're back where we started. It doesn't look too messy at all. And if I want to stand up, which I of course can, I'll just raise the tripod up here and I can stand there in front of that window and make some video there. So yeah, I think it works. I think I'll be happy with it. And so back where we started, except for the fact that I'm standing up now to show the versatility of this this office. And by the way, I can film myself sitting at the computer as well, but because there's yeah, I'll show you this. You got to see this. I didn't know if you noticed, but there's some speakers over there, quite large speakers, and I've got this platypod put in front of it to put my camera on. So just stick it on and set it down like this. And there's also some legs I can use, but I don't use that for this. And this is, by the way, also very practical when you're traveling. If you don't have anywhere to put, or don't have permission to take, or you don't have the room in your luggage for a large tripod, you can just use one of these and with a ball head on it. And yeah, so this is basically a tripod, but I just barely use it for anything else but this. But I might take it on a vacation and stuff like that if I have to travel really light. But speaking of tripods, that one is due, but I'll get back to that in a later video. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. See you on Sunday. Bye.